So you started a Twitch account. Maybe it was because you had the free time in lockdown, or maybe it's been a passion of yours for a while. Whatever the reason, you decided to branch your content out and start a YouTube channel. The only issue is, you don't know how to properly begin. Well, hopefully I can teach you a thing or two and help you on your journey. So I'm sure you guys have heard this countless times from people like Harris Heller, saying that to grow on Twitch you need to create content on more discoverable platforms like YouTube or Twitter, which is completely true. So I'd recommend checking out Harris Heller if you haven't already, the Alpha Gaming channel. It'll be in the description. I know he doesn't need the shout out from me, but his link will be down there, and I do think he has some very helpful videos on his channel. So let's say that you have a decent following on Twitch. Maybe you average like 10 all the way up to like 30 viewers per stream, and you're looking to either monetize your content on YouTube or grow your Twitch even more, or both. Like, don't get me wrong, it could be both reasons. Well, first we need to think about what type of content you're going to make. Now, I want you guys to listen to me carefully now. This does not need to be one thing. If you like gaming, you can make gaming videos, but there are so many different subgenres in that category that you could capitalize on and maybe even help some people. For example, I started this channel off making highlight and funny videos, and then I moved to helping people learn the game Rainbow Six Siege. And I still make the highlight videos, don't get me wrong, I make the highlight videos alongside these other videos, but I was able to branch off and make new kinds of videos. So this mindset has allowed me to try new things, and it's one of the main reasons I'm actually making this video today. So don't be afraid to try a whole bunch of different ideas out, especially when you are first starting, until you find your niche. Okay, so we've spoken about making different types of content. Now let's talk about something I don't believe is a good idea. Re-uploading VODs or large sections of your stream. Now there are times where this could work and there are times where it can't. You guys need to realize when it's a good or a bad idea to upload this type of video. So let's look at two examples from a very good streamer and YouTuber known as the Isaac, and a very good friend of mine. You may have heard of him before because he's always on the channel, or I speak about him a lot. His link's usually in the description if he's in one of my videos. But the reason I bring him up specifically is because he actually has two YouTube channels. He has a VOD channel and he has his main channel. So let's take a look at his VOD channel. Now this is my honest advice to anyone who wants to upload their VODs to Twitch. Every single VOD channel that I've seen all have the same thing in common. They're not the best types of videos for pulling in views. And the reason for this is the VOD channels that are doing well because the people who own the VOD channels are big streamers like Shroud or Ninja or Tfue or any of the massive streamers up there that you can think of who own VOD channels. So what they've done is they've grown a following on Twitch, and then they've managed to take their Twitch following and bring it over to YouTube. And that's why they're able to upload VODs. For us smaller channels, this doesn't really work out very well because no one on YouTube is really searching for VODs unless they're looking for a new game to buy and they want to see some gameplay on it. So it's not a bad thing to upload your VODs, it's just, in my personal opinion, I don't think it's going to help you grow. So like I mentioned before, Isaac has two YouTube channels. He has The Isaac VODs, and then he has The Isaac. So The Isaac is his main channel where he uploads all this unique edited content for people to watch. Now you'll notice that this content gets much more views than his VOD channel, and he also almost has triple the subs on this channel than he does on his VOD channel. Now I think what Isaac is doing is very good, and I do find his videos very entertaining. For example, I'd recommend checking out his latest Tarkov video, even if you don't play Tarkov, because I personally found it very entertaining. But one area that I think he could improve at is his titles and his tags, which also depends on what type of videos he makes. If we take another look here, you can see that most of Isaac's videos are funny moments and highlights, which aren't bad. They're funny, they're entertaining to watch, but the only issue is they're not very searchable. Now what I mean by that is not many people are going out looking for the Isaac funny moments. It's mainly people coming from Twitch and the odd viewer that somehow stumbles across your channel. My advice to the Isaac is try and make some videos that help some people, like his Tarkov video that he made recently. And try and make a title that tells the viewer what's in the video without specifically telling them what's in the video. For example, this video. The title of this video is starting a YouTube channel from Twitch. It's not how to get started on YouTube if you're a Twitch streamer. It's just slight things like that that can help you out a little bit. And as for tags, I can make a whole video on tags if you guys need me to, but if I use an example here, my CSGO trade-off video, for the tags, what I did was I started typing in the Google search bar CSGO and see what would come up. and if it was relevant to my video, I'd put it in the tags. I also did this for my Star Wars videos, and that makes it so if people are searching for something, for example, how to get more golden certificates in Star Wars, my video is one of the first ones to come up. Now, all you gotta do is combo that with a nice, exciting, and eye-catching thumbnail, and that's how you get more people clicking on your videos. Overall, Isaac's doing a very good job on his main channel. His VOD channel, like I said, I don't agree with it. It's not my style of content, and in my opinion, I don't see it taking off unless his other channels do. However, overall, his main channel, I think is doing very good work. I think that one area of improvement could really skyrocket him up and make him overtake me, because I get that I don't think I know everything about YouTube because I am a very small channel, but I'm just out here to help people. That's my main goal. Now, a lot of people will probably say, well, I just don't have the time for that, which is understandable. There is a reason why I only stream 3 times a week and upload once a week. This gives me time to go to college. This gives me time to go to a gym. This gives me time to get the work done that I need to get done, the web design work that I do, the editing that I need to do. Now, don't get me wrong, it isn't easy. You will be tired, but that's what it takes to be able to make lots of content and grow. So in short, to start a YouTube channel from Twitch, you should make unique content that could help someone or that there's a high demand for, and use an appropriate title and appropriate tags to make the content very searchable. There are so many routes I could take after making this video, so there should be a lot more helpful videos coming out for you guys in the future. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you learned something from it, I would love it if you were to subscribe. I upload every single Monday and I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, but that's your choice. And remember to check out all the people in the description because they are all very helpful and kind. And thanks guys, I'll see you next week.